Somebody tell FightHype because I'm about to say something right now. I'm about to say something that's good for fucking boxing. It's bad for promoters because we know we know what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna tell you, alright? I'm gonna tell you guys what needs to be done in boxing at 135. Because all these pussies don't want to fight each other. For all 4 belts. We do this shit. We do a fucking Super 6 tournament. That's what we do. Do a Super 6 tournament. Like me, Tio, Ryan, Tank, Devin, whoever the fuck else you want to throw into the fucking tournament or shit. Or even we do a fucking 8-man tournament. Just like do a fucking boom, 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 eliminate everybody. And the best ones be at the fucking top and we fight. And we get all 4 fucking belts. That's what we fucking do. That would be the best thing for fucking boxing right now. Because I'm tired of all these fucking hype job 135 pounds. I'm tired of the entire hyped up ass fucking division. I'll be honest, man. I don't even want to be part of this fucking hype ass shit. Because nobody fucking fights each other and it's fucking bullshit. And that's the truth. No, we don't need no fucking loser bracket. The winner of the fucking tournament takes all 4 fucking belts. We do randomize it somehow or whatever. I mean, they're gonna fucking make a bullshit of like who fights who first and all this shit. And we put every fucking fight on pay-per-view or whatever. Everybody fucking make money. Everybody fucking do good. Everybody fights. And there'll be one fucking champ. There'll be one fucking champ. Now tell me that that's not a fucking good idea. Tell me that, but you know what? All the promoters will all lose money. All the promoters will lose all their cash cows so early. But you know what? Well, let's do it. Let's do it. We'll do like a fucking Super 6, like fucking like an 8-man fucking tournament for boxing. We're gonna throw one of these fucking hyped up ass old motherfuckers in too. Tell me that that's not the best idea for boxing right now. Tell me that that's not the best idea for boxing. Ben, do you agree or no, you don't agree? Ben, hey, you agree or no? We'll do a fucking like, it didn't even need to be a Super 6, it'll be an 8-man tournament. Right there, boom, single elimination, boom, boom, boom. Winner takes all 4 belts, like that. Got down for that? One fucking champ. One fucking champ, you know, and all these hype jobs up. Me, shit, I don't give a fuck. I put my record on the line. I don't give a fuck. Shit. I lose, I donate my entire fucking fight purse to fucking... I donate my entire fight purse to autism. That's what I'll do. I lose... God, man, these motherfuckers never shut up. Look, I'll donate my entire fight purse to autism. Just like that. I'll donate my entire fight purse to autism. Let's do it. One fucking champ. One fucking champ. We don't need the fucking 135-pound division. It's all a bunch of fucking bullshit and hyped up shit. You know what? We don't even need I don't even think Tio needs to participate. He has all 4 belts anyways. The winner fights Tio. Fuck it. For all 4 belts, unless he decides to vacate him for whatever reason. But then the winner just fights for all 4 belts. We got 8-man tournament. Sounds good? Yeah, y'all talking shit about... Man, Haney got a free fucking belt, and all he did was fight a fucking 11-2 guy. One fucking champ tournament on Showtime. Nah, not on fucking Showtime. We're gonna do this shit on Thriller, because Thriller's giving out all the fucking money right now. One fucking champ tournament on Thriller. That's what we're gonna do. They want to give fucking money, we're gonna fucking do that shit on there. I guarantee you, Rolly's gonna be the winner of the fucking tournament. I guarantee you. Sounds good? Dame my gasolina. Damn, these niggas are fucking having a party outside. Alright, y'all. Peace out.